Hi, for the continuation of the unit operations of pre-treatment, now we will discuss the aerated grit chamber. The spiral roll of the aerated grit chamber liquid drives the grit into a hopper that is located under the air diffuser assembly. The shearing action of the air bubbles is supposed to strip the inert grit of much of the organic material that adheres to its surface. Aerated grit chamber performance is a function of the roll velocity and detention time. The roll velocity is controlled by adjusting the air feed rate. Nominal airflow values are in the range of 0.2 to 0.5 cubic meters per minute of air per meter of tank length. Liquid detention times are usually set to be about 3 minutes at maximum flow. Length to width radius range from 3:1 to 5:1 with depths on the order of 2 to 5 meters. So this is an example of an aerated grit chamber. As you observe, it introduces air and the influent has a helical liquid flow pattern. Now let's move on to the vortex chamber. Wastewater is brought into the chamber tangentially. At the center of the chamber, a rotating turbine with adjustable pitch blades along with the cone-shaped floor produces a spiraling donut-shaped flow pattern. So this pattern tends to lift the higher organic particles and settle the grit into a grit sump. The effluent outlet has twice the width of the influent flume. This results in a lower exit velocity than the influent velocity and thus prevents grit from being drawn into the effluent flow. It should be noted that centrifugal acceleration does not play a significant role in removing the particles. The velocities are too low. Now for the last unit operation of pre-treatment, which is the equalization, is not a treatment process per se, but a technique that can be used to improve the effectiveness of both secondary and tertiary wastewater treatment processes. Wastewater does not flow into a municipal wastewater treatment plant at a constant rate. The flow rate varies from hour to hour, reflecting the living habits of the area served. So the purpose of flow equalization is to dampen these variations. So first, combined sewers that led to storm flow surges. Second, very high peaking ratios. And last, discharge of large quantities of wastewater. That's all for the pre-treatment. Thank you.